Caitlin's going to tell us the random person who the worst music is. Okay, I don't know this person on AIM. Okay. Oh my god. Does it say what? Type. Oh my god, Barbie Girl. That song is the worst. Let's see what she says back. What do you say, my friend? LOL.